are you finished yet?
I want this painting to be perfect.
I know. Stay still, okay? Where did you go?
I hiccuped, and then I reappeared into the attic.
Well, try not to do it again. We need to finish this portrait for your mom's present.
Okay.
Does that always happen to unicorns?
I don't know. Sometimes magic can be annoying.
I can surprise you. I've heard that can help stop hiccups. Poof! I'll try again. Ah!
I'm an unsurpriseable. Mom, I have the hiccups. It's ruining our special plans.
Oh, have you tried having Roar surprise you?
It didn't work.
I see the problem. Well, there's one thing that always works when I get the hiccups. You need to meditate. Imagine a meadow. There are rainbows and ponds. High above, on a cloud, your hiccups are drifting away.
Meditating's too hard.
If this unicorn stuff isn't working, maybe we should try a dino remedy. Let's go to my house. And pickle sauce.
You're sure this will help?
It's an old family recipe.
Ugh.
Oh, wait, that's for headaches. I got them mixed up.
Roar! This is not fun.
Dad, Ping has hiccups. It's bad.
Ah, so that's what's going on. She just needs someone to surprise her.
We tried that.
Well, there is one trick I know of, but we're gonna need a hot dog. Ready, Ping? Just like I showed you.
Mom, Tremble knows the secret way to get rid of hiccups.
It's very advanced.
Nice!
Woo! Yeah! Let's go!
That's right. Give her!
Yeah! It worked! No more?
It did not work.
Sorry, Ping. I really thought that routine would do the trick. I saw it in a video.
Ah! That scared me. Wait. My hiccups are gone. Getting surprised did work. Roar, let's finish our painting.
You kept disappearing. It's the best I could do.
It's for you, Mom. We made you a picture of your favorite unicorn in the world.
Wow. Thanks, you two. It's very modern. I love it.
I like to try your hiccup routine, but let's do the hot dog part first.
I'll do that tomorrow.
Oh, Have you ever tried having Roar surprise you?
I told you I can't control it.